This is a quick summary of the video lessons for IELTS Writing Task 1. If you've watched these lessons, you should now feel confident that you have an approach. You have a method and you can keep practicing that method as much as possible in order to improve. You've seen how I've written introductions, my method for that, my method for overview paragraphs and the details paragraphs to write full reports for Writing Task 1. And you've seen me write Band 9 sample reports for the 6 different types of questions. The line graph question, bar chart, pie chart, table, process diagrams and comparison diagrams. So use my lessons, my sample answers as models for your own writing and keep practicing in that same way using those same methods. One last point that I want to mention in this summary lesson is about map questions. The reason why I haven't done a separate lesson about maps is because I consider them to be exactly the same as diagram questions. We've done 2 lessons on diagrams, the process diagram and the comparison diagram. If you have a map or 2 maps comparing a place before and after, I consider that to be the same as a comparison diagram comparing 2 things. A map is just a type of diagram. On the other hand, if you have a map that shows the development and in stages of a city or town or a place, that to me is just the same as a process diagram. Instead of a process in a factory, you're looking at the process of the place developing. It's the same because you see stages and you explain those stages in the same way. So don't worry about maps. Have a look at my 2 video lessons about comparison diagrams and process diagrams, and I've mentioned how maps are very similar to those in those lessons. Finally, keep practicing and repeating the techniques and re-watch the videos if you need to from time to time. With the right approach and some hard work, you will improve.